Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download OBD-II. Start by ensuring you have an ELM327 adapter. Make sure your smartphone is compatible with the adapter. Download a compatible OBD-II app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, open it on your smartphone. Turn on your vehicle's ignition without starting the engine. Connect the ELM327 adapter to your vehicle's OBD-II port. The OBD-II port is usually located under the dashboard near the steering wheel. Once connected, check for any lights on the ELM327 indicating it's powered on. Now, enable Bluetooth on your smartphone if using a Bluetooth ELM327. If you are using a USB version, ensure it is properly connected. Locate the ELM327 device in your phone's. Return to the OBD-II app and look for the option to connect to the adapter. Select your ELM327 from the list of available devices. Wait for the app to establish a connection with the ELM327. After a successful connection, navigate to the data you wish to download. This may include parameters like engine speed, coolant temperature, and more. Select the option to log or download data within the app. Follow prompts to start data logging. Ensure you drive your vehicle normally while the data is being recorded. Once you've gathered enough data, stop the logging in the app. Follow instructions in the app to save or export the data to your phone. Verify that the data file is accessible in your phone storage. You can now analyze the downloaded OBD-II data as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.